back to my channel and welcome if you're new. This is chaotic.allure here and I am back with this video where I'm pretty much going to show you guys these Coi Leray braids, inspired braids that I've been seeing on her head, and I thought they were really cute, so I decided to do them on me, kind of jumbo like and a little bit longer. And I just wanted to show you guys the process really, and yeah, I'm just excited. I hope you guys really like the video and enjoy it. So the products I've used, I ended up showing them towards the end of the video, like during the video, but I really want to make sure I show you guys right now. So what I used was this argan oil mousse to just apply on my head. I used this 4x Yaki Easy Knotless Braid. I ended up using one pack with one pack and so let's see, 1.5 packs kind of, because this is not really half, but like I ended up using this, and I got this in 26 inches. I didn't cut anything off except for some of the ends right here were a little bit long like this. They were curling, so I kind of like just cut the snip, but this is about 26 inches and it's really, really cute. I also used this edge booster. You know, I really live by this now. I don't know what happened, but yeah. Tooth comb. And I also bought this big bonnet. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did my hair about 3 days ago. This is my 4th day with it. I was going to film, but the past couple days been so busy. So you guys are looking at 4-day hair and like 4-day roots. You can see everything is perfectly nice looking. And what I do at night, I just put this on like this and I tuck everything inside of it, so I go to bed, you know. I tuck it inside. I don't want to do that right now because that's a lot of work, you know, but I do that. And then yeah, that's really all I use for this. And this thing was $6 a pack. So yeah, that's what I ended up using, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And so I'm starting with freshly washed and blow dried hair, and I did 4 parts just because it was easier for me to blow dry. But I'm going to be doing the Coi hairstyle. That's her name. I don't know. I just saw them and I really like them, so I decided to redo them. And okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna unbraid these and I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks like, you know, and then we're gonna get into it. Okay, so this is my hair right now. So we're gonna start by parting our hair. I'm not really that great at parting, so I'm just going to just part and come back on the camera to show you guys, because this is going to be a hassle. And I'm just using the back of this comb, so. So these are what I'm using right now. I'm using this in the color Rubberbands. I bought 2 cold wave rods for like $2. A big satin jumbo bonnet and this comb. That's it. This is in 26 inches. I thought that was enough. And also don't forget about the rubber bands. Okay, so I already did most of my head, and now I'm gonna show you guys a close-up on how I do my braids. So I have 3 sections about this side. I'm placing them on my leg, and then I'm going to turn this way and show you guys how I do it. And I'm gonna try to explain it as easier, I guess I could explain it. I don't know. So make sure you have all of the hair here, and pretty much this is what it looks like. Okay, and I like to go with my comb to kind of pull my baby hairs out like this. Okay, make sure all of the baby hair is pulled out like this. Then I'm taking some of this edge booster and I'm just gonna apply it on the edges so that it could be really slick. And then yeah, I'm combing it out. Okay, make sure all the baby hairs are pulled out. So then I'm starting to braid, and I'm going to do a feed-in method, and pretty much I'm gonna braid about 3 times, like 1, 2, 3, 3 to 4 times. So let's do 4. Okay, when you have this part, you're gonna take a section right here. You're gonna place it behind this one and this one, and you're gonna leave the one in the middle with no hair on it, like this. Okay, and then you're gonna just keep braiding like you normally were doing. We're just gonna keep doing this, and make sure your baby hairs don't get caught into the actual braiding. And then you're gonna add one more. Okay, and this is it. So it depends on you and how thick you want your braid to be and whatnot. So you're gonna just do this until it's done. So this is it, and I'm just gonna braid. And my trick, I guess, is to use the braid all the way in the back, put it to the front, and kind of match, because I have this finish like this because we're gonna curl the bottom. So wherever the elastic band stops, I like to stop the braid and start doing it. So I used my back braid as a reference to the length that I want this to be, so that they all could be kind of like uniform-ish. So yeah, so I'm braiding down really, and these are super easy to do. And honestly, I've been at like about 2 hours and 14 minutes right now doing this. So this is probably gonna take you like 2.5 hours to do, and it's not bad. So I'm gonna keep braiding a little bit, you know, until it reaches the same amount. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys again how I do it. Like, this is like a tutorial, but not so much of a tutorial, because we're just doing this for the first time together. And if you guys learn from it, then yay. And if you guys don't, then I'm sorry. So anyway, here I'm just pulling out my baby hairs again from the front, because I like to have extra edges. And don't forget to use, to part your 3 sections. So this is me parting right here. And yeah, I'm just really eyeballing it, nothing crazy. I'm taking my edge, you know. Okay. Okay, make sure your baby hairs are not stuck to this. And then we're just adding. Okay, so we're adding like this, you know, and we're gonna braid. And if you guys don't understand what I'm trying to say, and I'm just really putting it on the right and left one and leaving the middle alone. And I'm gonna go take my left one and putting it over the middle, and then the right braid over to the left, and then I'm braiding down, which is really easy. I'm gonna show you guys one more time how I add, because I take it. So now you have this like that, okay? You have this like that, the three. Oh, the hair, it fell. What you do, you take this open thing, you place the middle like right here, so it ends up being like this. So you can see it's like this. The middle we're not touching, and then you're gonna take the, I'm so sorry, my camera just completely just died on me, so I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what the ends look like. So they look like this, and this is what they look like. Some look better than others, I don't know why. But now what we're doing is we're gonna take these cold wave rods and we're gonna place them at the bottom of our hair up to the rubber band. We're just gonna twirl it around it, and then we're going to dip our hair in hot water and let it dry, and then I will come back to show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I apply one of them. Place it, you turn, you turn, you turn, you turn, you turn, you turn, until you can't turn no more. And then you go and you just, okay? So this is it. And you're gonna do that to all of them. And then, okay, so I just dipped my hair into the hot water and taking it off. Really, I just do this. It's still a little bit wet, but that is it. We're just gonna take these off. Like this. And then after I do this, I'm gonna quickly show you guys, not to go into really details. I'm not gonna go into a lot of details. I'm just gonna do my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna kind of come back and talk about everything after I get my face ready and all that. Okay? And I think we did good. I think we're doing good. I think this is not that bad at all. So it's cute. It's cute. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot so far. So I like it. I like it a lot. Oh my goodness. I didn't think I was gonna like it that much, but I actually do. So if you have any type of oil, after I boiled it, I put some in my hand and I just ran it through so that it could give you this shine that it's giving right now. And yeah, so that's really it. So yeah, it was very easy. I ended up using, you know, I took it out. This is what these look like, really dry. I took it out and I did, you know, it's super easy. I think I have about, let me see, 1, 2, 3 plus 6, that's 9, plus 3, that's 12. I have about 12 braids in my head, And I'm not gonna lie to you, every time I step outside I get compliments. So I'm hoping that you guys really go and you guys get this or do it because it's cute. Like, and it took me less than like, it took me like 2 hours and 10 minutes because I took breaks, okay? So really quickly, the technique I did was kind of knotless braid. I just braided the top of my head and I just did feed-in braids all the way down. I hope you guys kind of understood what I was trying to tell y'all when I was trying to show you guys how to do it. If not, just go on YouTube, Google how to do, you know, feed-in braids, or I can put in my last video where I actually did knotless braid. That was easier to explain and it was like, you know what I mean, it was a slower pace. And yeah, because this video really is just me showing you guys how I did it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. Follow my second channels, my gaming channel. I'm gonna be posting Sims and stuff like that, and all my Twitch VODs. If you guys don't have Twitch, you guys can just watch everything on there. So thank you so much. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys what it looks like, because I think I forgot to show you guys the braiding pattern, but this is what it looks like. You know, it's not really what's the word, it's not really parted perfectly because I had to do it myself, and yeah, I'm not a pro, but you can see stops about right here.